Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Snit.
Certainly, Mr. Isnit. May I kindly request a valid identification card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation. I have confirmed your booking for a deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Very well. May I request you to please complete this registration form?
Of course.
Thank you. How would you prefer to settle your payment?
I will be paying by credit card.
Certainly. Kindly insert your card into the terminal. Your payment has been successfully processed. Here is your room key. You have been assigned to room 305. Please be informed that the breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant, and our standard checkout time is at 12 noon.
Thank you very much.
It is our pleasure. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact the front desk. We wish you a pleasant stay with us. Good morning. I hope you had a pleasant stay. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I would like to check out.
Certainly. May I have your name and room number, please?
Yes, my name is Joshua Di Cepeda, room 305.
Thank you, Mr. De Cepeda. Please allow me a moment to retrieve your account. Here is your final bill. Kindly review the charges to ensure everything is in order.
Yes, everything looks correct.
Thank you for confirming. How would you like to settle your balance?
I will pay through credit card.
Certainly. Kindly insert your card into the terminal. Your payment has been successfully processed. May I have your room key, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. May I ask you how your stay was with us?
It was very good, thank you.
We are delighted to hear that. Thank you for choosing our hotel. We are hoping to welcome you again in the future. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, goodbye.